Real estate is all about being creative. In today's market, it's more important than ever. Hi, I'm Danica Patton with the OPULENT Group, and today I'm going to show you how you can have the house of your dreams in today's market. Let's go take a look. Let's take this beautiful luxury home, for example, located in a new development community in Porter Ranch. If your dream is to own a brand new luxury home, consider looking in the areas like Porter Ranch, Santa Clarita, and Sierra Madre, as there's always new builds coming into this current market. If you're in the market of owning a luxury home in today's market, but really concerned about the mortgage rates, here's how you can own a luxury home in today's market. So let's work with rough numbers. Let's take this home, for example, roughly at $2.5 million. Your mortgage payment is going to be over $15,000 a month, and that doesn't even include the property taxes and insurance. So let's take this same home, and let's say you said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and lease that home for 1 year and wait for the mortgage rates to come down. Well, that same home, that monthly payment's going to be $8,700 a month, and you don't have to pay the property taxes. So it's a win-win in today's market of owning that luxury dream home. Another way to own a luxury home in today's market is what we call seller financing. Now, it's a little more complicated, so you want to talk to a licensed real estate agent or real estate broker to walk you through step-by-step on how to do that. If you want to learn more about seller financing or leasing a luxury home in today's market, give me a call today. I really look forward to working with you.